if your Greenworks battery is not charging here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do to make it work again. So, sometimes the battery just isn't fully clicked in. So, what you need to do is you want to make sure the battery and charger are properly seated. Now, pull it out, line it up, and push it firmly until you hear that solid click. A loose connection can make the charger think the battery isn't there at all. And next is you want to check the charger lights for clues. So Greenworks charger use light patterns to tell what's happening here. Now solid red here means it's charging. Flashing red means that the battery is too hot or too cold. Now no lights, charger not receiving power or battery not detected. So use these signals as your first hint about what's wrong. And also, if you use the tool recently, the battery might be too hot to charge. So if it was stored in the cold, it might be too cold as well. So set it aside indoors for about 15 to 30 minutes, then try charging again. Temperature issues are super common with lithium batteries. And also, you may want to clean the metal contacts on both battery and charger. So a bit of dust, grass, corrosion, or moisture on the contacts can stop charging. Wipe the metal pins on both the battery and the charger with a dry cloth. You don't need anything fancy, just make sure the pins shine and are free of debris. And also, you may want to try another outlet or test the charger. No, you want to plug the charger into a different wall outlet. If you have more than one Greenworks battery, try charging a different one. Now this tells you instantly whether the charger is the problem. Now if the charger doesn't light up at all, you may need a replacement. And also, you may want to reset the battery with a quick reset. Now a simple trick that works for some Greenworks packs is just pop the battery in, wait for 1 second, then remove it. Now repeat this 2 to 3 times, and this can reset the internal protection circuit if it's actually stuck. Now, if the battery still won't charge, this may be a sleep mode, or it may be in sleep mode or dead. So Greenworks batteries can enter into sleep mode if they drain to 0%. Sometimes a new charger will revive them, but often a deeply drained lithium pack can't recover. At this point, contact Greenworks support or replacing the battery is the safest move. But that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.